In today's fast-paced and technology-driven world, it's becoming increasingly vital to stay ahead of the curve and leverage the latest tools and technologies to increase your productivity and earn more money. Artificial intelligence is one such tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and live. From automating repetitive tasks to providing valuable insights, AI can help us achieve more in less time and ultimately increase our earnings. In this episode, we'll explore the many ways in which AI can be used to boost productivity and earnings as a writer or designer, and provide practical tips and strategies for harnessing its power in your life and career. So whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or just looking to improve your personal productivity, this episode is for you. Let's dive right in. You're listening to the TechNet Show, your weekly dose of the latest tech stories, analysis, interviews, and opportunities in the world of tech. If you're a techie or an enthusiast looking to stay up to date, this is the show for you. Be a part of the conversation and stay connected to our tech community on Telegram at TechNet Show. Hello TechNets, welcome to the show. It's great to have you on board. I'm Victoria Imager.
Hi, I'm Sam Obasi. A pleasure to be here to discuss trending and relevant topics with you every week.
Yeah, everywhere you turn right now, you see a post, news headline, video, etc. on AI. I mean, AI literally has all of us on the edge, depending on which side of the fence you're on. Why the tools being released are exciting and having their advantages. The argument about their limitations or the fear of them taking over some jobs doesn't seem to stop. And it will continue for a long time until people are properly educated on these tools. So I was just curious, how many AI-enabled tools do you currently use, or have you tested out some?
Quite a good number though. I've actually used Copy AI. I've used Chronally and ChatGPT and others. I'm actually exploring new ones to see how effective they are and what their limitations are. We stand a chance to gain a lot from using these tools. And to agree to some people, it does have limitations though. Depending on how you're looking at it, depending on how you want to view it. I mean, it should. Technology isn't perfect, but with AI, we're actually getting close to perfection with AI. And even human experience and have certain limitations. So why shouldn't the thing that we create do the same?
Yeah, right, exactly. These limitations are why human inputs will remain relevant no matter the efficacy of these systems. Now, the AI industry is becoming a competitive space with many investors and adopters, but we're not going to focus on that in today's episode. We are focusing on the potential of AI and how you as an individual or a business can utilize these systems to boost productivity and earnings. Now, AI has the potential to significantly improve productivity by automating tasks, providing insights, and optimizing workflows. Now, we've listed a few ways that AI can be used to harness productivity, and the first on our list is automation. AI can automate repetitive, time-consuming tasks such as data entry, scheduling meetings, document processing, etc. And by automating these tasks, it allows employees to actually focus on higher value tasks, and this can lead to significant time savings and increased productivity. Another thing AI does to help productivity is via insights. AI has the ability to analyze large data sets to provide insights and then identify trends that may not be immediately apparent to humans, right? And this way, businesses can make data-driven decisions and improve their processes. Another one is optimization. AI can optimize your workflow by identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies and suggesting ways to improve them. By doing this, you can have a streamlined process and increase your productivity. It also has the ability to personalize experiences for customers and employees, such as personalized recommendations, personalized training programs, and marketing campaigns. Now, with this ability, you can increase engagement and productivity. Another thing it does is having the ability to predict analytics. Now, the predictive analytics helps you to anticipate future needs and trends, allowing businesses to proactively address them. This way, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and improve their productivity.
Artificial intelligence AI is actually being used in a wide range of industries to improve efficiency and productivity, to reduce costs and to provide better services to customers. Some examples of how we have been using various industries are, for instance, in healthcare, they use AI in healthcare to diagnose diseases and detect anomalies in medical images. They also be used to monitor patients in real time, analyze their problem, and make recommendations for treatment. Also in manufacturing too, manufacturing, I think they actually use AI before AI actually became this popular. Because I know a lot of people were automating their manufacturing processes because that way it's actually reduced costs significantly. That's why you can have very super fast cars at some form of affordable prices, not actually close to using what they would have used and what the price would have been if it was all human labor. So AI is being used to improve efficiency in those manufacturing processes. It's used to predict when machines will need maintenance, optimize supply chain, improve quality control, and give recommendations and the rest. Then also, it can also automate the processes, because actually the major thing of AI in manufacturing. So instead of the work that like 15 laborers or 15 technicians would have done, AI actually do that at a lesser time. It actually reduces time, reduces cost and the rest. And also even in finance, it's used to detect fraud, make financial prediction, and analyze customers' behavior. With the advent of bots in trading and even generally in the finance industry, there are kind of bots that can help you, trade while you are asleep or make market prediction. But these things are actually not, as I said earlier, they're actually not perfect. But it's also used to control some form of smart contracts. It's also used to do a lot of automation on your accounts if you really wanted to. But it's still limited to, or it's actually subject to some form of limitations. So in retail, AI is being used to personalize the shopping experience, optimize inventory management, improve customer service. It can also be used to analyze customers' behavior, make recommendations for products and the rest. It's actually, the list goes down, what you can actually use in the retail sector for. In transportation, it's used to optimize logistics and transportation network. If you're actually into business or you're actually into supply chain management, you know that transportation and logistics is actually a big deal. So AI can actually be used to predict traffic patterns. That's actually what Google Map actually used to predict traffic patterns, optimize the routes, and improve safety. Then Google actually inculcates that in their Google Map algorithm, and it actually helps almost everybody are using it sometimes to understand what traffic is like up here. So, for instance, I'm going to maybe a far journey now, or maybe I'm getting close to a particular place, and I know that the place there's normal traffic. With Google Map will tell me, okay, there's traffic in this place, there's no traffic in this place, and the rest. So that's actually that's what AI do for them. So also in education, AI is actually used to personalize learning experience for students. It's used to identify gaps in knowledge, provide personalized feedbacks, and recommend, effective and efficient learning resources that will help us to learn at a faster pace. So back to how writers can actually use AI to increase their earnings. I'm a writer, Vicky is a writer, so we actually use most of these tools a lot. But one thing that some people actually express this kind of fear that, okay, AI is coming to take my job. No, AI is not taking your job. AI is actually making your job easier and much more better. AI can only take your job if your job do not require any level of intelligence. If your job is just garbage in, garbage out, that will take your job. But if you actually require intelligence, you can still get to it. Yeah, there are copies that AI writes, and it won't be as personalized copies that copywriters write.
Very true.
If it's one of just ordinary garbage in, AI will take your job. So that's normally, even from a previous podcast, we normally tell people, don't be a mediocre. Be at the top of the ladder. That will, no matter what is happening, it will never affect you. So actually AI tools, it helps writers produce high quality, like I said, high quality content. It optimizes for search engine and increase their productivity. It leads to higher earnings and more success in the competitive world of freelance writing. Of thousands of writers, even hundreds of thousands of writers, and everybody actually write on their on their bio. It's actually funny, that. There are actually some examples of how writers can actually use AI to increase their earnings. The first is in content creation. AI can help you write content faster and more efficient by providing suggestions and topics, headline, and even full article. This can increase the number of articles that you can write in a given time. But this is a cheat. Do not actually use AI to write full article. You can actually use AI to maybe you can actually put a prompt. I want to know how this, you cannot give you, but using AI to write a full, we actually, it will actually spell doom for you, because your employers most times normally have AI detectors on their
Yeah, true.
So if you are writing articles with AI, they will know, and you will really have very decent. Because if you are right, maybe some of them, they might actually tell you you're writing it, but at the point before you know, they'll lay you off, because after all, what you're doing, they can actually do it on their laptop in a matter of 5 minutes. They'll finish the whole article. So why do they need you? So if you are using AI to write, you will have to, maybe I'm putting in a prompt to give me a particular heading, a particular insight, or a particular way to structure a sentence and
to create an outline. Yeah,
create an outline for it, but not to use it totally to write the full article. It will not go well for you. So I wouldn't advise you to use AI, especially ChatGPT. You don't need to write full article. So it will only help you to be more efficient. Like, information that you would have used, like, let me say 20 minutes to source for on Google, but you can actually use it. You can actually use, less than 3 minutes to get it on ChatGPT. That's actually the better part of it. That's actually how it will help you write more efficiently, not by writing the full article. Okay. Next one is editing and proofreading.
Like what you hear so far? Make sure not to miss any of our episodes by subscribing to us now and joining our community on Telegram at t.me/technoshow. Now, back to the show.
Okay, editing, most times that I know before the advent of ChatGPT, people were actually editors. It was actually a full-time job to be an editor. But now, with the advent of Grammarly, we have this other one, then Qbot and the rest.
Yes, Qbot. There's Word,
so most of them,
the rest.
So most of them, they do all the heavy lifting for you. Let me say, they run so that you can fly. So you can actually, after writing by yourself, you can now put these, paste your write-up or paste your article and on these platforms, and they will help you, restructure it very well. Grammarly was actually doing that way before now. Grammarly help you check for errors, especially if you're using the the premium version of Grammarly. Help you check for errors, check for spellings, and and the rest. It help you write excellent article. Something like Qbot actually can help you rephrase the article to really make sense. Maybe you wrote in a way that it didn't really sound well to the ear, but whenever you're using Qbot actually restructure your article. It's actually not the one writing for you. You are the article, it's your own article. So it's the one restructuring everything for it to make sense. Sometimes restructuring doesn't make sense. So you are the one that will determine, okay, this one where I write better pass waiting, they tell me, something like that. So another one is the SEO optimization. Optimizing content is actually another big deal too. It doesn't just mean by you writing your article, publishing on maybe any platform you want to publish on. It's also, is it SEO optimized? So AI can actually help you optimize your content for search engine by providing suggestions for keywords, meta description, and other optimization techniques. And that's actually where this AI is actually helping a lot of writers. It's not in the full writer of article. It's just in this area. It helps you keyword. It helps you to get keyword, help you with prompts, and most of those things. AI is actually there for you. And the next one will be in content analysis. They actually analyze the performance of your content, identify which topic and format are most successful. All this depends on what, AI, that's what I love about AI. That's why I also say AI cannot take away your job, because you are the one that will key in what you want these guys to bring out for you, these things to bring out for you. So you key in what you want these things to bring out for you, and it becomes what you key in that they'll give out. You understand me? if you key in the wrong prompts, they do not give you what you want. So now that's instant. They still need that intelligence of a writer. In fact, in the whole tech industry, the intelligence of a writer is still needed because AI will not do that. It will not do that for you. So the next one is the personalization. AI can help you personalize content for specific audience, like creating content for different regions and industry. It can help writers attract new clients and charge higher rates for specialized content. Most times, if content actually not content actually specialized to a particular niche on the rest. So if you are writing for a particular industry, it's different. If I'm writing for a finance industry, it's different from writing for the medical industry. It's different when I'm writing for instance, for the logistics industry and the rest. So it can also help you to personalize it to meet the demand of a specific audience.
Yes, fantastic. So don't rely 100% on AI to write a full article, as Samuel has said. Just utilize these tools to help boost your productivity, thereby helping you gain more clients so that you can get more work done faster and easier. So we're moving on to look at how AI can actually help designers increase their productivity and potentially accelerate their earnings. Now, there are tools out there that are creating user interface design. Like, I learned this thing for 3 months, right? UI, UX, and I was killing my head on how to design user interfaces. And now we have AI tools like usegalileo.ai helping people design user interfaces in just a matter of minutes from a text prompt, right? People are kind of wondering, okay, so does that mean I can just become a UI UX designer now, But these tools are they're not 100% efficient or perfect, right? So I would not advise a beginner to just start using these tools because they are faster. For a professional designer, you can rely on it perhaps just to get work done faster but I doubt the overall efficiency it will bring to you. But however, let's take a look at how it can increase your productivity. And let's put it out there. These AI tools help designers to come up with new design ideas, maintain brand consistency, create effective data visualizations, and personalized designs for clients. And these can lead to higher earnings, right? More clients to come, greater success in your field of graphical brand design, whatever field of design you are in. So let's take a look at some of the examples of how AI can help, how designers can use AI tools rather. So first we look at how AI-powered tools can automate repetitive design tasks, right? For instance, we have resizing of images, creating logos, selecting color palette. These are tasks that AI-powered design tools can actually help you automate to speed up your process. It helps designers to save time, increase their productivity, and allow them to actually take on more gigs, right? Because if you can finish a design project on time, it means you can take on more. If you were taking 5 before, with using these tools, you can take like 10 more jobs, right? So AI tools help you with automation, right? Another thing is it can suggest design concepts and layouts based on previous successful designs that you've done or by analyzing industry trends. Now, ChatGPT also, for people who have tested it out, I see people use it to kind of research and ask questions to help them provide user persona, to get idea of use cases and a lot of other things that you can ask these chatbots to help you generate, right? So it's not an end in itself, it's just a means. So utilize them to make your work faster, but do not 100% just use AI to get all your jobs done. For suggesting design concepts, this helps designers to come up with new ideas quickly and efficiently, leading to faster project turnaround times. And then the end result, of course, you can boost your earnings at the end of the day if you are fast on your job. Now, another thing to look at is brand consistency. AI helps designers to maintain brand consistency across all the designs by checking your color, the typography, and other brand elements used in the design. And this way, designers can create designs that adhere to brand guidelines and are more likely to be approved by clients. Yeah, so that's another way you can use AI as a designer, if you're into brand design especially. Another thing AI tools can help designers do is to create effective data visualizations that are more engaging and informative for clients, right? Resulting in higher paying projects. If you were taking a longer time to kind of do your research and get data and to understand, get data on, okay, what will work for users, what will work for clients and all of that. With some AI tools, I think we listed a couple of tools that designers can use in the last episode. You could check that out. There are more out there, obviously, that designers can use to help speed up their process, their design thinking process, their research process, and all of that. So utilize these tools to get vast and quality data that will inform your process, okay? And the last but not the least, AI can help designers to actually personalize designs for clients based on their specific needs and preferences, right? By doing this, AI can actually help you to hit that target of your clients, right? And of course, if your client is happy, it means more money, right? So find a way to actually utilize these tools, and then it will lead to increased earnings.
Emphasis is just the way to utilize the tool. It's not for the whole tool to do the work for you. You understand me? Then just find a way that you can use it. You cannot use it. Just like I saw one competition some months ago. I can't remember the exact months. This it was an art contest. So
Okay.
I don't know whether you saw it. They already had a system to detect AI generated images and AI generated artwork. Okay. So if you are putting AI, it will actually flag you down automatically. So you shouldn't use AI to run your business. You can only to entirely run your business. It can only help you to make your work easier. But because you need that human input, that unless you are not actually so good, that is why we have been preaching from time immemorial that you need to be very good in whatever you're doing, be it design, be it in software development, be it writing on the rest. You have to be so good at it so that what you can actually do, AI cannot do your job. You can actually use the AI to make it better, but not find a way to use the AI to make it better, not for the AI to do your full job. It's actually a very bad thing.
Very bad. And for businesses out there now, is just for you to sit down with yourself, take an assessment, and look at which area you think these AI systems can actually help and assist your business. Okay, so that way you know which AI tool you are employing and integrating into your work system. Okay, the reason, as someone said, is just to help you actually work better, not to rely 100% on it. So, so we all know that AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work by automating routine tasks, right? Providing insights and optimizing workflows, personalizing experiences, and also providing some future trends, predictions. But in all, use AI wisely. That's what we'll advise. Use AI wisely. Do not rely on it 100%. It's here to stay and is causing a lot of havoc. However, know where to utilize it, and there are AI detectors out there. So just in case you want to 100% depend on this, just be sure that you might be flagged down, just as Samuel said.
I already said that. You already hit the nail on the head. Use AI too wisely. Don't overuse it. Your inputs actually still still needed in the ecosystem. So you cannot just allow AI to do all the heavy lifting for you, do all your whole job for you. It will be detected and it will actually affect the reputation of your job.
Yeah, very true. Okay, so do let us know some of the AI tools you currently use, either as a programmer, a designer, a writer, or a business owner. Whatever it is, we would like to hear some of the tools that you're currently using and the ones you intend to use later on. And if you missed our previous episode on the 45 tools that content creators can use to increase their efficiency, don't wait. just go check that episode out. Until next week, have a wonderful and productive weekend.
Thanks for being a part of today's conversation on The TechNats Show. Do follow us on social media at The TechNats Show. Join our growing tech community on Telegram at TechNats Show so you'll never miss any updates. If you find our content valuable, would love you to drop us comments or likes, or you could share it with your friends too. Catch you next week.